doing today? Hopefully, all of you are good.
Today, Miss Putri and Mr. Adit are going to tell you a story. But before we start the story, shall we sing together?
Yes, of
Shall we
course,
sing?
I think.
The finger band is coming to town, coming to town, coming to town. The finger band is coming to town so early in the morning. This is the way we play our drums, play our drums, play our drums. This is the way we play our drums so early in the morning. This is the way we twirl our head, twirl our head, twirl our head. This is the way we twirl our head so early in the morning. This is the way we play our horn, play our horn, play our horn. This is the way we play our horn so early in the morning. The finger band is going away, going away, going away. The finger band is going away, slowly fading out. So, it's time to listen to our story. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a story about baby birds. A mother bird and father bird are going to build a nest. So what do you think they need to build a nest? Yes? String? Ooh, that's good. What's next? Stick? Ooh, we can use that too. Yes, excuse me. Ooh, leaves. We can use leaves, of course. One more. Feather. Oh, that's good idea. Actually, birds are natural recyclers. So it means they don't need to go to the store to buy things. They just need to find the things around them to build the nest.
So, the mother bird and the father bird build a nest. Nest? What is nest looks like? It looks like this. It's a nest. And then he tried to lay an egg inside the nest. Egg. It looks like, the egg it looks like this. The bird's eggs. And then the mother bird tried to tuck the egg on the nest. And the mother bird used her body to cover the egg and make sure that the egg is warm and safe. When the wind is coming, it will be safe. Yes. And fortunately, she made friends with a little bug. And she tried to talk with the bugs so she would never feel lonely. And after sat for a long time, she heard a little crack, 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 crack. She tried to tuck the eggs. And after that, she heard a great crack, and the egg is open. And what do you think inside the eggs, my friends? There is a little baby birds.
Did you like the story, everybody?
Yes.
So before we end our class today, it's time for rhyme time. Yay! Show me your little blackbird.
Here's your little blackbird.
Okay. Shall we start?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Two little blackbirds sitting on the hill. One named Jack,
one named Jill.
Fly away, Jack.
Fly away, Jill.
Come back, Jack.
Come back, Jill.
Two little blackbirds sitting on the hill. One named Fast.
One named Slow.
Fly away fast. Whoosh.
Fly away slow.
Come back fast. Whoosh.
Come back slow.
Two little blackbirds sitting on the hill. One named Loud.
One named Soft.
Fly away loud.
Fly away soft.
Come back loud.
Come back soft. Have you enjoyed the class, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, I'm happy to hear that. So don't forget to open play package at home and you can play with mommy and daddy. I hope to see you soon at school.
And the last but not least, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and then click the bell and then give like and share the video so you will never miss the notification. And see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.